Hello friends, myself Hitesh Shahre, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry at SNJB's Shriman Suryadada Jain College of Pharmacy, Chandwad, Nasik. Today, I am going to discuss about ChemDraw software. To work on ChemDraw software, first of all, you have to install this ChemDraw software from Google site. After installation, you have to open this and you will get this kind of window. So this ChemDraw software is used to draw any kind of structure from IPSC name, or from IPSC name it used to get structure. This window is look like a paint. It contain different sides like file, edit, view, object, structure, text and all. This downward side is again having the different tools which we can use for drawing the structure. So here, if we say about file, it contain the different function. In another window, edit the same way. In case of view, again you can see the different object. Take an example, if you are going for these templates, you will get these different templates, amino acid. If you choose here and if you select one amino acid, if you put here, click, then you will get that particular amino acid on this window. Similarly, object, if any structure is there in this window, and then you can go for rotation, either 90 degree, 180. You can rotate it by their horizontal or by their vertical, anyway. You can bring that, you can align that structure, you can bring that structure into the front or back. If you say about structure, here you can see if there is any name, IPEC name, and then you can convert that name to the structure, or is there any structure that you can convert to the name. Similarly, here you can clean up the structure for their geometry. Text, you can change. If you have any text in this window, you can change to that particular different size, particular different style, or particular different font. Curves, different curves are there which are used to prepare the reaction and mechanism. Color, if you want to give any color to the particular atom or particular ring system, then you can put these colors. If you say about this side, you can see here the different functions are. This is for single bond, this is for double bond, this is for a text which you want to write here. Take an example, name of the compound or any functional group you want to put. Here the function for selection, this is the eraser. If you want to remove any bond, any atom, then you can use this. Here the some structures are there. Let us see one example. Now I am selecting this benzene ring. I have clicked on this and next to this window. So I got the structure of this. Now I want to get here the bond. So I am selecting this single bond and getting on this carbon. Similarly, onto the same next position. Now I want to get any substitution on this. So I am supposed to get this text function. I have to select, come to this window, select this carbon. Now get your caps lock on, and in this you can write here a functional group. Take an example, COH, carboxylic acid. On another side I am getting again the another functional group, amino group. So here I got this. Now I want to suppose remove this, then you can take this eraser, you can remove this. You can remove this bond, you can remove this bond. If you want to come back, then go for Ctrl Z. So you are getting back to the structure. Now I want to select this. So I am selecting the structure and now going for the structure window and want to convert this structure to the name. So I got this 4-amino benzoic. This is the IPSC name for the particular structure. Similarly, I will give you another example from an IPSC name to the structure. See here I am selecting this text. Now I am writing here the name 5 IPSC name. I am writing here for one drug 5,5 diphenyl hydantoin. Now I am selecting this and copying it. Now going for this structure window. Now I want to get name to the structure. So I am getting this. Now I am getting one new window. Just paste here, or you can write directly the name of compound directly here, IPSC name, and just go for that. So likewise you are getting the structure for phenytoin, that is a diphenylhydrogen. You can move the structure anywhere in this. Now I don't want this name, so I am just selecting this and just go for delete. So likewise you are getting the structure. Now I am selecting the structure and want to rotate, so go for object, means I have selected the one object, that means structure, and rotating it. So likewise I got, but is it a good structure or fixed? So go for cleaning up this, so I am going for cleanup. So this is what suitable cleanup structure of what I got here. Now I want to minimize the structure, so I am going for minimizing. So you go for file window, then the next to this apply document setting, again new window, ACS document 96, click it, say yes, and you got here minimize structure. If you want to increase the size of the name of the compound, you just select it, and afterward you just increase the size. So likewise you can get the different structure. While preparing reaction, you can go to this arrow or mechanism. In that case you are getting this window and select any one. Okay, by control key you can get this and get the here bond, any this arrow system. So likewise you can save this all material in this particular window, save. So I like this, you can save your computer in your computer, this all material as a ChemDraw format. Secondly, again you can select these all, okay. And how to select this? You are getting this key on the left corner. By this you are selecting this, and then just by right click you can get a copy, or here the copy function is there, you can copy and paste into the new Word file, and you can save your material. So likewise you can perform the structure, and from IPEC structure, or from structure you can get the IPEC name. So hope you all got this. Similarly again, if you want to give this color to this nitrogen, so you can give this by color. I have given here blue color, then you can go for make it bold. So likewise, okay, if you are going for this arrow system, then next to this, if you want to add any catalyst, go for text, right click over here and write down here the acid catalyst if you are writing here. Okay, so likewise you can write this catalyst. So likewise you can perform the function on ChemDraw software. Hope you got about this ChemDraw software. Thank you.